If you're new to kayak fishing, you might be shocked by how big a difference the right kayak makes. It affects your balance, stability, maneuverability, everything. If you're on the market for a new fishing kayak, look for wide, flat hulls for superior stability, whether you're casting in calm lakes or navigating choppy rivers. Consider models equipped with multiple rod holders and adjustable seating for maximum convenience. High-end kayaks often have pedal drive systems or motor mounts, which allows for hands-free operation of the kayak while you're fishing. That said, make sure to follow our links if you want the latest discounts. Let's dive into the best fishing kayaks now. Number 6. Perception Pescador Pro 12. Most comfortable fishing kayak. For all you folks who are into long fishing sessions, the Perception Pescador Pro 12 is your best buddy on the water. Why? Because comfort is where this kayak really shines. First up, the adjustable lawn chair seat. Now imagine sitting in a cozy lawn chair rather than a stiff plastic seat. This seat can be set high for better visibility or low for more stability. It's like bringing your living room comfort to the lake, letting you fish for hours without that dreaded back pain. Durability and stability are top-notch too. Made from tough materials, the Pescador Pro 12 can take a beating from both the sun and rough waters. It supports up to 375 pounds, meaning you can load it with all your gear, and maybe even some extra snacks without a worry. And despite being durable, it weighs only 64 pounds. That makes it easy to carry from your car to the water, even if you're on your own. Storage is a fisherman's dream. The large storage areas at the front and rear give you plenty of room for tackle boxes, coolers, and maybe even a folding chair for when you're on shore. Imagine having everything within arm's reach and not having to climb over piles of gear. The design is super angler-friendly. With spacious compartments and that comfy seat, you can move around easily and get right into the action. The kayak glides smoothly, so you can focus on your fishing instead of wrestling with your boat. Number 5. Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100. Best value fishing kayak. If you're after a budget-friendly fishing kayak, the Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 is a gem unlike any other. First, it comes with a paddle included. That's right, no need to spend extra cash on one. Plus, it has a paddle keeper with shock cords, so you can secure your paddle while you're busy with a catch. Imagine not having to worry about your paddle drifting away mid-fish. That's super handy, right? Comfort matters, and this kayak has you covered. The adjustable padded seat back and seat pad mean you can fish for hours without ending up with a sore back. And with multiple footrest positions, whether you're tall or short, you'll find a comfy spot. Think about how nice it is to avoid cramped legs on those long days on the water. Storage is practical too. Two 6-inch storage compartments, one in the rear and one in the center, provide space for your tackle, snacks, or even a dry change of clothes. Picture having your essentials neatly stowed away but still within easy reach. And with front and rear T-handles, lugging this kayak to and from the water is a breeze. No need for a second person to help carry it. Fishing-specific features are solid. There are 2 flush-mounted rod holders and 1 top-mount rod holder. Imagine having your rods securely in place and ready to go, without any awkward balancing acts. Considering the price tag, that's very impressive. Number 4. Elkton Outdoor Steelhead. Best inflatable fishing kayak. If you're hunting for the best inflatable fishing kayak, the Elkton Outdoor Steelhead is our winner. Although this model is inflatable, setup and storage are stress-free. The kayak comes with a dual-action hand pump that gets you on the water quickly. Imagine arriving at your favorite fishing spot, and within minutes, you're ready to launch, while others are still wrestling with their gear. When the day's done, deflating is just as simple. You pack it into the travel bag and head home without any fuss. Again, Steelhead is built for fishing first and foremost. It has front bungee storage and multiple universal hard mounting points. Tour rods, fish finders, and action cameras all securely attached and within arm's reach. That's right. No more fumbling around or worrying about your gear getting wet. The front bungee storage is great for keeping your tackle box and snacks dry and safe, right where you need them. One feature we love is the solid drop-stitch floor. Unlike most inflatable kayaks, this one allows you to stand up confidently for better bait casting. Think about how much easier it is to cast when you're not wobbling around. It feels like a solid boat under your feet. Number 3. Brooklyn 13.0 Pro. Best fishing kayak for 3 people. For anyone seeking a fishing kayak that fits up to 3 people, the Brooklyn 13.0 Pro is a fantastic choice. What makes it stand out is the extra room, of course. You can take your kids out on the water. This kayak has space for everyone to sit comfortably without feeling squished. It's perfect for those long days when you want to bring along a friend or two. The accessories are a big plus. The 2 ergonomic aluminum frame seats are adjustable and super comfy, so you won't end up with a sore back after a few hours. Picture yourself paddling all day without constantly shifting to find a good spot. Plus, the kayak includes 2 lightweight aluminum paddles, making it easier for everyone to help with paddling. Storage is well thought out too. The 2 waterproof hatches keep your snacks, phones, and wallets dry. You don't have to worry about your gear getting soaked, even if the water gets choppy. And the built-in rod holders are a game changer. With 4 in total, you can set up multiple rods without having to hold them the whole time. Imagine how nice it is just to paddle while your lines are in the water. Made from high-density polyethylene, this kayak supports up to 770 pounds, so you won't feel like you're gonna tip over even when the water gets rough. The 34-inch beam offers great stability too. Number 2. Real Yaks Modular Fishing Kayak. Best pedal fishing kayak. If you're after the best pedal fishing kayak, let me tell you about this Real Yaks model. This kayak's pedal drive system is a game changer. Instead of a noisy propeller, it uses fins that glide quietly and smoothly through the water. Imagine pedaling effortlessly past docks and stumps without spooking the fish. This system lets you do just that. Weighing in at just 31 pounds per section, this kayak won't break your back. Each piece has side carry handles, so think about easily grabbing it from your car and carrying it to the water without any hassle. No need for roof racks or trolleys, making your fishing trips less of a chore and more of an adventure. Stability? It's got that covered too. The W-hull design means you can confidently stand up to cast your line. Picture yourself standing tall, casting with precision and not worrying about tipping over. Plus, the cockpit is spacious and has a secure storage hatch, keeping your gear safe and dry even if the waters get rough. Mounting your gear is simple, with 2 track rails for your rod holders and other accessories. If you've ever struggled to find the right spot for your rods, this kayak gives you the flexibility to set them up exactly how you want. And the modular design is just genius. You can snap the 2 sections together in seconds and be on your way while others are still fiddling with straps and racks. It's perfect for those spontaneous fishing trips when you just want to get out there quickly. Number 1. Pelican Catch Mode 110. Best fishing kayak overall. And now, time to meet the Pelican Catch Mode 110, the winner for today. The stability of this kayak is just top-notch, all thanks to the tunnel hull design. Picture this. You're standing up on a calm lake, casting your line without wobbling or worrying about tipping over. This kind of stability isn't something you usually get with budget kayaks. Storage is another area where the Catch Mode 110 shines. With front and rear tank wells, plus multiple bottle holders and 3 flush mount rod holders, you'll never struggle to find space for your gear again. Imagine having your tackle easily accessible without fumbling around. Everything has its place, making your fishing trips smoother and more enjoyable. The rigging tracks are perfect for those who love customizing their setup. Whether you want to add a fish finder or extra rod holders, these tracks make it super easy. Most budget-friendly options don't offer this level of flexibility, so it's a big plus for serious anglers. Safety-wise, the additional flotation inside the hull means it meets or surpasses ABYC standards, holding up to 375 pounds. This gives you peace of mind, knowing you're not pushing any limits. You can focus on reeling in the big one rather than worrying about your kayak safety. And let's talk comfort. The Ergo Boost seating system is incredible. The adjustable seat has an EVA pad and under-seat storage, ensuring you're comfortable during long days on the water. You won't be squirming around trying to find a good position, which is a common issue with cheaper models. That would be it for this one, folks. Tell us something in the comments now. Are you looking for a one-person kayak or something that fits multiple people? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and happy fishing!